Hello everybody, my name is tommy777 and today we'll be playing Will You Press the Button? Okay, so let's see what the first question is. You now get $1 billion every decade you have lived. I am 13, which means that I would get $1 billion. You die instantly when you see a tree. That wouldn't work out too well, so I will not. So there's 22% of people. Okay. You can fly, but your feet have to touch the ground at all times. That's not technically flying then. Flying is like you're off the ground. It's a bad question, Discover all the lies within Area 51. Ooh. Area 51 isn't such a good place at times. I feel like they're watching me. You can never leave the fenced area, but you are supplied with most normal things you desire. I'm gonna say yes, because I could tell like the secrets to everyone. Yeah, I'd tell everyone. Like they'd have to come to me, but I'd tell everyone. You can go to any college you desire for free. Ooh, you have no social life, not even with your roommate. Does that mean just college? Because if it were just college, then fine. Yeah, I'll do that, but like after college, I want to make friends. That's a nice question. You get 3 free wishes. You cannot move or more than a mile from your current location. I just wish my first wish that the side effects were off. And then I use the other 2 things for something else. I don't know what it would be yet. So yeah, that's a good question. Ugh, I'm tired. It is 12:43 at night. You will always be happy. The love of your life will always be sad. I will not. No. That's not a good question there. If I'm gonna be happy, my lover will be happy. I do not have a lover currently. But yeah. My love is a potato. He will be unhappy. Okay. The tough cookie girl. You can live forever in the moon, no, it get lonely up there. You can lie and everyone will always believe you. Ooh. You will also believe your lies. What if I said I could fly and I jumped out of a window? I don't know. Nope. Okay. You have all the powers of a vampire. You can't stay in the sun and you are afraid of the night. I just fear my entire life if that happened. So no thank you. I'd fear everything. You would look beautiful without trying at all. You would be pregnant with 6 babies. I don't even need to say something to that one. You will reach the peak of human physical ability. You will no longer understand the concept of numbers. Well, I'm not very good at math anyway. I think I have got like a C or a B. Something around that. And if it was like a life or death situation, I would, but I will not. Education is very important. Stay in school. You are the most famous and richest person in the world. You will grow just gonna. You can speak any accent from around the world perfectly. You will always have a strong. I have no idea what that is. What is this? I have no idea what that is, and I don't want to find out, so I just skipped it. You will have the ability to speak with animals. Yes, I can speak to my 5 cats. Yes, I have 5 cats, and my name is actually after one of my 5 cats, Tommy. You will no longer speak human. It didn't say I couldn't write things, and I could learn another language, I could learn sign language. Yep, I'd be willing to do that. You will have the, oh, I already read that. Whoops. Okay. As you can see, I adjusted my camera a little bit. You can travel between fictional worlds of books and movies. Ooh, I can go into the Maze Runner, and I can go into Harry Potter. Yeah, I love to read books. You aren't allowed to help the main plot or move it forward. Yeah, yes, definitely. I'd be like a standby, or I'd watch it. I'd be a background character. It'd be so cool to see that. I would love to see that. That would be awesome. You can now write in all languages. You can. I can't read it though. But I love I love reading. Reading is really fun. It like takes you into the adventure, and you can just imagine and feel. I've cried at so many books. It's depressing. You can have 5 free. I already, I already have 5 cats, so no, thank you. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. You get uh, infinite wishes. Every wish takes a year off of your life, and they cannot undo or slow this down. Aw, no. Yeah. I would not do that because I value my life, but I would do it if I could help the world. You get to read any book you want in the world. Every time you read a book, it is burned and nobody will be able to read it again. I love reading. I'm fine just the way I am reading books. That would be fun though. You will have to answer to every question. You cannot tell anyone the answer. No. Like, what if something really big happened? Like, I saw a murder, but I couldn't tell anyone, even though they asked me. I would just not tell them, even though I have to answer that. That's confusing. You have the ability to enter any game in the world at any time. If you die in real life. That's a hard question. I will. As long as I'm able to exit. I'll go to a peaceful game most of the time. Be sexiest of your gender. You will remain a virgin for the rest of your life. I'm fine with that at the current stage I am in. I'm 13. I'm not planning on doing anything anytime soon like that. You'll receive ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, I think. I'm not good at math. It is taken from your parents' retirement funds. No, thank you. I will do one more. Okay, one more after this, and then I have some things to say. Good. You can create whatever you want in the world, but you could not use your own creations. Sure, if it could help others. Okay, so I've got 1 more minute, and I'm going to do this really fast. Some things I need to talk about. For Christmas, I'm getting games. I'm getting stuff like The Walking Dead, maybe, and I will be getting a better recording device so I can record for longer, because I'm running out of time right now, and I've got seconds left, because it's at 9 minutes right now, and I can only record for 10 minutes. I will be getting new games, a better recording device, and I will try to play Minecraft, because I was suggested that. Thank you for suggesting that. And I'm closing up on 50 subscribers. If I get 50 subscribers, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something. I'm sorry I'm talking so fast, but I just am, because I don't know, I'm just trying to fit this all in before it's time to go. Anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye!